wanna be that one. Still a million miles from you, so I'm gonna let you go. Oh boy, if you only knew, not a day goes by without you on my mind. You couldn't go on together.
Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh.
Hey Zithandwa Zam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Zithandwa, but if you're regular, thank you so much for dropping back by. But if you're new, why don't you hit the subscribe button so you can become a part of my family. Today is Friday. We're starting a new vlog. Well, it's been in progress, but I'm just introducing it today. And I have some lovely news to celebrate with my husband today, so I'm so happy. Oh yeah, guys, I was saying I got interrupted for a bit there. My husband and I are going to be celebrating. Well, the whole family will be celebrating because he got this big promotion that has been working very hard towards. If you remember, beginning of the year, he got his MBA, and yeah, finally it's paying off. He got this big promotion. I'm gonna get my wife allowance finally. But I'm super stoked, guys. It's been such a great week, great year. These are the biggest news that I could ever could have asked for. We've been praying for it. We've been fasting. He's been waking up every single day at midnight and praying. Sometimes I'd wake up with him, but we've been like fasting together just to pray and manifest, and it became a reality. So thank you so much to God and to my husband for his hard work, because it wouldn't have happened if he didn't work as hard as he does. So yeah, we're gonna celebrate today, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me, but we're not going anywhere. We'll do it indoors because of the kids, obviously. Crown for the girls, Hennessy for the mans, wine for the girls, cold drink for the kids, Red Bull for the mans, tonic for the mans.
Some fries.
These are what?
Some sauce. And you got some sauce.
Yeah. Oh, this is a bucket. It's a bucket of chicken.
What? And some spoon. And
Some mini burgers. Do you want a burger?
no. Burger is not my favorite. Fries. And there's some fries. And mashed potato. Mashed is my favorite, Mama. And also fries is my favorite. And fries and mash is my favorite. You know that fries and mash is my favorite so a lot.
Oh yeah, mama.
Ngibambe kanje?
Hey, mama. Lekutshela ukuthi umuhle mkami.
Hey, oh shame bandla. Phela sana choice engivukile emaqandeni siyabona ukuthi ayibuya lophile wakudala ke manje.
Ukuthi vele muhle phile.
Zama njoba ngisho nje mangimtshela izolo yazi.
Hambisa isandla kuzovela.
Ngitshela uma ongithelo wema mina. Yebo, bengasangeni.
Bune postnatal depression.
I think ngirealize manje ukuthi bekuyiyona ngokutshela.
But you looked beautiful.
Zama bengangeni bengithi manje uzara nje sisolo ngawugcina 2 years ago.
Oh.
Literally 2 years ago.
Zara ngifuna enye coat. Ngayithatha ngayifaka kwi-cart online.
Yeah.
By the ngase ngathi singibhekela uJunior ama tracksuit because bekhona nesele yengane.
By
the time sengisi ngiya check out, sitheke si sold out i-coat. Cabanga ibisuka ku 1200 ku 500 rand.
Are you kidding me?
Bane sale, massive sale.
I-coat enjani ole?
And like a trench coat. A cream. Look, sold out.
Oh umbali so ukuthi ngathi kunelo.
By the time I check out, lapho sengifakile amabhluka junior, ngafakile u-SS amanye amateku. Kanti mana ikhansela yonke le nto ngathi phela the aim of this was to
Was
get
the
the
codes.
Oh, sengizosela lezi zinto zale ngane. No, ngayeka kanjalo. Mina ngiyawafaka phela ngisho mina vele at least wena nalawa anje.
Uvuka nawe ekuseni.
Mina ngivuka ekuseni ngiwafaka kabusha. Lapho ngisuke ngiyenye into sisi. Who's the queen of
Baby girl.
angabe ngenza imali mina ngale
Lalela ngithe 1 plus 1 nomzi hayi ngithe 1 plus 1 ngazi ngihambele 400 rand mina yini
ekhona usisi wakho sisi ekhona usisi wakho mono
awangifundisa yikho la umsebenzini ngiyabatshena njengoba imask esiphumile njengoba ama-mask angasagqokwa
no sisi
ngiyabangena maye sayibona ukuthi
girl woo girl
I'm looking up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
One step.
Good.
Yeah. Really
Say hello. Wait. You took out your stuff, Junior.
Look at this stuff. What?
I'm a pajama now.
Pajama wake.
But they're so long. What size is this? 425. Hip logo 425. Escape 223. That's what strange. Size. Wait, I know it's
Minnie. Mama, that's Minnie. Mama, that's Minnie Mouse. Mama, that's the Minnie Mouse. Look, is that your cow?
ikaw niya junior le.
That's all your cows. Huh? Look at your shoes. Shoes always trying to go birthday.
Now the one time.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart?
Hey, Zithandwa Zam, I'm back home. It's like so dumb. I'm about to eat. I'm really starving. So after the salon, we went for grocery shopping, which was such a tedious exercise. And yeah, now I'm hungry. I made myself something to eat. I haven't had anything to eat. So when I went to the salon, I bought that snack, the jungle bar and water just to snack on while I was there. I thought I'd spent like a lot of time there, but it wasn't that long. It was about... I started doing my hair at 8:30. I finished at 10:30. So I think that's about, what, 2 hours with my nails. So this is what my nails look like. I did different shades of nude and brown. So this one is different to this one, if that makes sense. And then my hair is really cute or whatever. It's long. I want to show you guys when I'm standing how long it is, because la so it looks a bit short from the top. So yeah, I want to eat and then ngihambise uJunior to the salon so he can get his hair cut. A cute cut.
What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love me? Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah.
Zithandwa Zam, my son looks cute. Did you see Junior's hairstyle? Like, it's a simple hairstyle, but he looks professional. I just put myself a glass of Crown so I can have some bubbles. I want to show you guys how long my hair is, so let me untie it and then I'll show you properly what it looks like. Okay, disclaimer, my room looks a mess. It's late in the evening now. It's after 6, and I honestly just want to finish doing Esethu's hair, because I'm braiding her hair. Not really, I'm just doing my blocks, and then I'll call it a night. So I want to show you how long this hair is. It's really long. So it's down here. I don't know if you saw that. Did you see that? Did you see that? Anyways, Zithandwa Zam, I'm going to end this vlog right here and say thank you so much for tuning in once again. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'm giving you a moment to subscribe so you can become a member of my family. Shit, I'm tipsy. What? Crown. I'm sorry. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and become a part of my family. Love you guys so much. Thank you to my regulars. See you guys on my next one. Bye, 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 bye.